Hey guys and gals on YouTube, how y'all doing today? We got here a very vintage Lego set 691 from Legoland. Back in the days when your model could potentially fit in the box. This is a rescue helicopter. Set 480 on the box, although the instructions say 691. So that's probably, one is a European and one is probably a North American. Either way, 1974. Has that kind of a Vietnam era looking rescue helicopter look to it with the blunted nose. Cool little doors on the side here. Actual window. Brick built windows. It's pretty slow now, but it's still kind of cool. Wink. Anyways, we also got a package here to open up. This is the other part of the haul. Stuff coming in from mail. This is a legacy version of the Overlord from Lego NINjAGO. Let's go ahead and dump it out. Let's see what we got here. Guys, cool little weapon. I love that translucent head. Kabuto, his helmet. And let's go ahead and give him his... Oh. I forgot. That's right. He's got the ghostly little phantom piece goes here on the bottom. Sort of like a sphere, but this is in a purple colorway. And then uses a double stack torso, sort of like Lord Garmadon. Almost snapped his arms there. That would have been bad. And then let's stick his head up here. And of course, this is his little weapon, his staff. All right, got the rescue helicopter, 1974, and I got this legacy Overlord right in front. As you can see, the rescue helicopter is not minifigure size. And just because this is oh, that's nice. There we are. I guess I'll go ahead and include my little Lloyd minifigure. Anyways, Overlord pickup, free shipping, $9.99. I am going to get the original OG Overlord, but he's pretty hard to find. And this, of course, is a rare helicopter that came with the box and instructions, although they're from the two different sets. If you have any questions, thoughts, concerns, you let me know what you think. Love the community out there. And if you enjoy the video, go ahead and please click like, subscribe, and follow along. Till next time, please stay safe, everyone. Ciao.